In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails in Outlook. We'll go through the process step by step in a simple and practical way. So if you're new to Outlook, you can follow along without feeling overwhelmed. Sending an email is one of the most basic and important tasks in any email platform. And once you know where everything is, it becomes very quick and easy. To begin, open Outlook on your device. Give it a moment to fully load so all of the menu options and folders appear correctly on the screen. Once Outlook is open, look for the Mail section and click on it. This takes you to the area where you can view your inbox, read messages, and create new emails. After you're in the Mail view, click New. This is the option that lets you start creating a fresh message. In some versions of Outlook, this may appear as New Mail, but the purpose is the same. It opens a blank email window where you can begin writing. When the new message window appears, click into the email field and enter the recipient's email address. Make sure you type it carefully, because even a small mistake can send the message to the wrong person or cause it not to deliver at all. If you're sending the email to more than one person, be sure to double-check each address before moving on. Next, click into the subject line and enter your subject. The subject should briefly describe what the email is about, so the person receiving it immediately understands the purpose of the message. Keeping the subject clear and specific helps your email look more professional and makes it easier for the recipient to find later. Then, move down to the main body of the email. This is where you write your message. Take your time here and make sure your email says exactly what you want it to say. If it's an important email, it's always a good idea to quickly read through it once before sending, just to catch any typing mistakes or missing details. Once you're done writing your email and everything looks correct, click Send. Outlook will then deliver your message to the recipient. And that's it. That's how to send an email in Outlook. As you get more comfortable, this process will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.